Hello everybody, it's me, the Game Guy 1.0. Oh, come on guys. Oh, by the way, we're at 6 subscribers. Can we please get 7? Okay, so we're playing Truck Loader. This is a finale, part 1. Can't make my video too long. You know, yeah. I did this over before, but I had to record and unrecord and all that, and it was just very, very messy. Oh, number 20. I remember doing this one. This is the worst. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video at this section, this level, so I'll see you later. Yeah, well, that was a very tiring level. Man, you guys would have raged. Well, I raged throughout that level. Oh, parallel loading. Oh, this took me over a minute to do the first time I did it. Looks like I forgot the whole series. What, this glitch? Are you kidding me? The box is right in front of you. The box is right in front of you. Just click it. Finally. Who invented this place? If the truck is above there, then that floor will definitely give way. This whole place is messed up. Literally. And I wonder who invented Math games. This is not even strategy. This is just fun and all that stuff. I don't even know what I'm blabbing on about. Oh yeah, by the way, new bit of red video soon. Yeah. Okay, this is... also, by the way, there's a funny moment video coming up soon. I thought about cancelling it, but I've already done some of it. So yeah. Man, this is gonna be very hard. Here we go. 2. Last time I got all 4 boxes, but I'm very smart and I do not want to leave them. No. Yes. Yeah, I'm doing lots of awkward silence. Well, what can I say, man? I mean, this is now I think about it, this is a boring series. But once you see the funny moments video, it's gonna really wrap this up. Serial loading. Why does that name sound so wrong? It reminds me of shooting and all that. Aye. Move out of the way, box. Move. Okay. There we go. Damn it. Do it. What if I stand on this? Oh, that won't work. Magnetic. Oh. Rip. I killed myself. Why? Rip. But he respawned himself. Fortnite. Dun. Oh yeah. A bit of a spoiler alert. I'm playing Fortnite. I'm gonna do Fortnite videos in my secondary channel. So if you guys want to see Fortnite videos, hit that sub button. I don't know why I always lisp at that part. Yeah, I'm just talking. Watching myself play. Yeah, blah blah blah. This is weird. I mean, the calculator machine has minimum space, and you can't even. What a glitch! Not again! I hate you. Oh, hashtag rage. Oh yeah, by the way, in the affiliate channel, I might do a face reveal. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the? I killed myself. Oh hell no! I'm not doing this level again. Get out of! I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna skip to 25. Da flip a clip. Dun, dun, da, da, da. Oh yeah, I need ideas for flip a clip. Mark the Anime suggested to do a lip sync video. But yeah, I'll probably do an evolution. Hey, that's what wait, I just thought of an idea for that. I'll make an evolution. Once I end this channel, I'll post a video of the evolution of animation. Well, I have to end it here, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. So yeah, bye, and you're also seeing Eternal Darkness. Guys, yeah, really, we're at 6 subs. So yeah, bye.